Alright, little MotoTales, we're starting off in Selma, Alabama today with 170 miles of the southeastern BDR route ahead of us today. The goals are simple. First, conquer Alabama's notoriously slick red clay. And considering it rained all night last night, that should be interesting. Second, find a historic fire tower marking the southern tip of the Appalachian Mountain Range. I'm ready. Are you ready? Let's see what happens. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, God. Only 160 miles to go. Time to engage the extra suspension. It's one of those roads that you get on and you want to go back and look and see if you missed a sign that says in-state maintenance. Do notice we're not seeing nearly as many of those ruts as we... Oh, shit. Come on, baby. Go, wait. Shit, it's still not over. Yep. That was a foot down moment for me. Who knew wet red clay mud was slick? Not gonna lie. I'm not minding the paved road a little bit. That thing was slick. Alabama. They're ringing. Help me, Tom Cruise. I think the left might be a little... Nope, no, I'll take back. I was just doing the tank slapper at 3 miles an hour. It's the terrifying moments that make it fun. It's like when you get on the roller coaster and your safety belt won't latch. Oh yay, more mud. Yep, I'm duck walking it. I'm ready for a break whenever you are. Yeah, let's buy giant 80 feet bikes. I just spun all the way through that. Holy hell. It's not even steep. Perhaps that's my problem. No wonder I don't have any traction. I got no tread. Oof. What are we waiting here? Feels bad. Woo! That was about like I expected. I'll have to go back and review the footage, but I think I went to the right. Because when I saw you go sideways, I abandoned all ideas of going to the left. No. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Sweet, beautiful asphalt. I put them speed bumps to slow them mother down. Now they're jumping. Whoa. Damn, son, don't you know how much power you got? Dug a rut. Shit, it's killed mine. That's awesome. Guys, this red clay is no joke. I've already had 100 moments that could have easily ended with me on the ground. It's the thickest, stickiest mud you can imagine. And if it's rained recently, it's 10 times worse. Section 3 is easily one of the most challenging parts of the Southeast BDR, and it's living up to the hype. But for now, I'm going to grab some lunch, because we still got that fire tower to find, and I'm betting there's a whole lot more mud waiting for us. Holy crap! It looks really cool, but it also looks kind of terrifying. Jesus, I hope we're still on the road, but I'm beginning to have my doubts. Yeah, you're laughing now. Don't go in the rut. Shit. Oh. Yeah, just for the record, this is part of the main route. We've not gone retarded and gone off the map. Shit.
deep. Southeastern BDR, the route that washes your bike halfway through. Oh wow. Wish my name was on this bridge. Too bad I forgot to bring my graffiti kit. You going left or straight here? What do you think? This is a crazy little section of road because it's, I mean, it's dirt, but it's the smoothest dirt road I've ever been on. We popped up over this hill and you had this beautiful view with the mountains and stuff, and I didn't have the camera on. I didn't stop. I should have, but I'm lazy like that. And it's like the Autobahn of dirt roads. I feel like these people made a choice and they're like, nope, we like our dirt road. Just leave it alone, please. Stop, perfect stop here.
Check out this light.
If you want to. I love these little semi-paved roads that have the moss and the grass growing in the middle like that. I think that's the coolest thing ever. It is a house. Oh my gosh. We just drove into somebody's driveway. That's really cool. Yeah. I kind of think we might be in somebody's driveway, but that was really cool.
Yeah.
I think it's a river, not a lake. Yeah. It says Coosa River on it. But apparently that thing right there is just an island. And there's more river on the other side. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Well, that is a beautiful tree. There's several beautiful trees right there. Kind of waiting on people to come out and start yelling at us. That's this beautiful hair. Love it. Oh, my hair, bitch. I guess lead back up this little funny road. This is some West Virginia kind of stuff here, hiding in the middle of Alabama. I'm telling you though, Alabama has really amazed me at how many really cool, fun roads there are in Alabama. And this Southeast BDR does a fantastic job of taking you through them. Because you're just out here and nobody's in your way, nobody's bothering you, nobody's trying to run over you. You're just out here enjoying these little rural country back roads, dirt roads. It's awesome fun. I would absolutely do this again. That's where we're making our way up Flagg Mountain. Supposed to be a really cool overlook at the top. But this is probably the first, what you would consider a mountain that we've run into all day.
All right, we made it. This is Flagg Mountain Fire Tower, and it's actually the southernmost point of the entire Appalachian Mountain Range. This fire tower, it's been standing here since the 1930s, and it's super cool to think that this is where the Appalachians officially start, or end, depending on which way you're going. But the view from up here is insane. It made all that fighting through the mud this morning totally worth it, and even the climb up here. Very cool. So we knocked out our goals for the day and finished up section 3. We're going to tuck in for the night here in Sylacauga, Alabama, a town with 3 pretty wild fun facts that I'm going to save those for the next video. And trust me, you're going to want to stick around for that one because it rains a lot. And we get to hit our first red route. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it.